Hey everyone, welcome back to our SharePoint tutorial series. Today, in episode 148, we're diving into how to add quick links in SharePoint 2025. If you're managing a SharePoint site, quick links are a game changer. They let you create easy-to-access buttons for important pages, documents, or even external websites, making navigation smoother and more efficient for your team. First things first, make sure you're logged into your SharePoint account. Head over to the site where you want to add these quick links, maybe your homepage or a team page. Step 1. Once you're on the page, look for the Edit button in the top right corner and click it. This puts your page into edit mode, where you can start making changes. Step 2. On the left side of the screen, you'll see a panel with a plus icon. Click that to add a new web part. Step 3. In the search bar that pops up, type Quick Links and select the Quick Links web part from the options. It might be under the Built-in or Modern sections. Step 4. After adding it, click on the web part to open its settings. Here, you can customize your links, add a title for each one, paste the URL, and even upload an image to make it visually appealing. Step 5. You can add multiple links by clicking the Add button for each. Drag and drop to rearrange them if needed, and preview how they'll look. Step 6. Once everything is set, hit Save or Republish at the top to apply your changes and make them live for everyone. And there you have it, quick links added in no time. This feature in SharePoint 2025 is all about boosting productivity, so give it a try on your own site. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.